If you're selling anything on Instagram, you know how important it is to engage with every new follower as fast as possible. And thanks to a new feature that Manychat has introduced a month ago, which is called Follow to DM, we can engage with new followers fully on autopilot now. But what if I tell you that 99% of coaches, consultants, and business owners on Instagram are doing this step wrong? I am getting a 57% reply rate on my outreach messages to new followers on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. If someone follows my account, we're not just sending them a random DM to open a conversation. We're first going to scrape their Instagram profile, scrape their posts, find out if they are in my target audience and if I want to talk to them or not. And then we're gonna create an AI personalized outreach message and send it to them fully on autopilot using Manychat's new feature. This makes sure that I'm only texting people that match my ICP and that I'm sending personalized messages to maximize my reply rate. If you want to see it in action right now, simply go to Instagram and follow my Instagram page @SerdarScales and wait a couple of seconds and see what happens. If you match my ICP, you will get a personalized first message from me in less than 1 minute. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do the same thing step by step. I've prepared everything for you so you can copy paste the exact same system into your own Instagram account. And who knows, you might even get a better reply rate than I do. And in this video, I'm not only going to show you how it works, but also how to implement it step by step into your own business. And now let's dive right into it because I have prepared something for you. And let's start by showing you my reply rate. As you can see, I have a reply rate of around 57%, and the only outreach messages that I am sending are new follower outreach messages. And if you have multiple outreach messages or multiple reasons to do outreach, you can see the statistics for each individual message over here. However, for my account, it's quite simple. It's a quite new account. I only do outreach to new followers at the moment with our fully automated system that I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm getting a 57% reply rate. And now we want you to be able to get the same reply rate or better that I have. And this is what I prepared for you. This document will include everything you need from A to Z to get this done on your account. How to automatically qualify and send AI personalized outreach DMs to new followers on Instagram. Our goal is to send personalized outreach messages to leads in our target audience to maximize reply rates and conversion rates. We want all of this done on autopilot for new followers of our account. Now I'm going to quickly show you how it works. And before we dive into that, this is what you will need. You will need a Manychat account, you will need an N8N account, a dmtracker account, and the Data Prism API. This all might look like a lot, but it is actually not. I will show you everything. Don't worry, just go through this video step by step, and at the end of the video, you will be able to have the same AI personalized outreach system that I just showed you. So let me quickly show you how it works. First off, we have our Manychat automation. And don't worry, you will get all the automations as templates in that same document. So you can just copy paste everything that I'm going to show you and it will work for you. This Manychat automation does the following. First of all, we have the trigger, which is user follows your account. And in the next step, we are checking if the tag is AI engaged or not. This is only for our agency clients and for our businesses that have the AI sales system installed, because if our AI ever engaged in a conversation, so we had an ongoing conversation, we will assign the tag AI engaged. And that means we already had a conversation with that lead. And if someone now follows our account after having a DM conversation, we do not want to send them this automation. So this is the filter for that. After that, we are setting some user field variables. You can just do the exact same thing. And then we're going to send the user details to N8N through an external webhook in Manychat so we can actually do the magic. After you get this template, you can adjust anything you want. If you do not have the tag AI engaged, you can simply remove this node. It doesn't really matter. I will just show you how it works. And from there, you can customize it to your own wish as you want. In the next step, we're actually sending the whole user details to N8N to scrape the account and to check if we have an ICP match or not. And with this next step, we're waiting 30 seconds to give the N8N flow enough time to scrape and check the ICP and add the details back to Manychat through the API. Why do we do that? Because Manychat external requests time out after 10 seconds. And especially with the scraping part in this N8N flow, this flow will take longer than 10 seconds every now and then, and it would fail if we just use the HTTP request. That's why we wait for 30 seconds and then only continue if the lead details have any value. Because this N8N flow is going to inject the lead details using the API after it is done scraping the account and doing the ICP check. If the lead details are present, then we will continue and check if the tag is ICP match or not, because N8N is also going to assign the tag if someone is an ICP match or not. And if that's true, then we set the user field to ICP check yes, and we send another external request to N8N, this time while waiting for the response, because this N8N webhook is going to create the personalized outreach message that we want to send out. After that, we check if the outreach message is available. If the outreach message is available, then we simply add the tag new follower outreach sent, so we can always track it inside of Manychat. And we are going to set some user fields. And this is very important. Here we are doing the external request to the dmtracker to actually track this outreach. And the dmtracker is literally the only tool on the market from which I know that you can track outreach messages through the API. And this is exactly what we're doing here. So the dmtracker knows that we have sent this outreach message to this lead, and the dmtracker then continues to monitor if that lead has ever replied back or not to calculate the reply rates and other statistics. And at the end of it, after we have sent the API request, we basically send the message, and as the variable, we use the outreach message because that's the AI personalized message that we have just created. So far, so good. This is the Manychat flow. It's quite simple after you understand what it does. And as said, I'm completely new to this. We have a tech team of 14 people in the company right now. They are doing this for all our clients, and I wanted to do it myself so I can shoot this video for you guys. And I've done this myself, so if I can do it, then you can do it too. Don't worry. So that's the only Manychat flow that we need to make all of this work. And here is a short explanation for you. Also, just to mention, all of these tools are free to start. So if you want to check it out, just try if this works for you and see what reply rate you are getting. You can try this out for completely free for like 2 weeks at least, and with some of the tools even longer. So for the preparation, what we will need is, and do this in this order, sign up to Manychat and connect your Instagram account if you have not done that yet. If you already use Manychat, like most of you will do, you can skip this step. Step number 2 is sign up to the dmtracker and connect your Manychat account. The dmtracker connects to Manychat to get all the information necessary. If you have the dmtracker set up already, you can also skip this step. The third step is to sign up to N8N. I'm pretty sure this also works with Make.io and Zapier. However, I've never used them and I just like N8N the most, and the template is also going to be for N8N. So if you do not have an N8N account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's also free to start. And the last thing we need is we will sign up to Data Prism. Data Prism is the tool that we use to scrape the Instagram data. And if you sign up using the link that will be provided in this document, you will get 1,000 free credits compared to, I think, 500 free credits on their website. So 1,000 free scrapes that will take you some time to figure out if this works for you or not. And after that, it is pay as you go and just costs a couple cents. So it's quite cheap compared to what we used before, which was Ensemble Data, which starts at $100 per month. So I think this is going to fit most of you way better. And here's a short explanation how everything works. Manychat connects to Instagram and triggers when you get a new follower, thanks to the new feature they just implemented. As soon as you get a new follower, we send webhooks to N8N using the Manychat workflow builder. N8N then does the whole AI magic. It uses Data Prism to scrape the Instagram account info, then uses AI to check for an ICP match, and then it uses AI to create a personalized outreach message for each individual lead. N8N then sends back the outreach message to Manychat and the ICP tag, and Manychat then sends the message to the Instagram lead. And the last note I've just showed you, one of the most important ones, the dmtracker automatically tracks the outreach reason, the message, and the reply rates to improve the system going forward. So you can always see which message got me the better reply rate, how high is my reply rate right now anyway, do I need to adjust my messages, or do I need to start a new A/B test? Or. And next to just tracking the outreach, the dmtracker can do so much more. But for this video, we only need the use case of tracking the outreach message, and it will continuously monitor if anyone that you outreach to replies back, and then update the reply rate here. So now everything should make sense to you, and I will show you the N8N flows as we speak. And now that we have the Manychat flow covered, we will switch over to N8N. And as you can see, there's 2 external requests in here. This is the first external request, and this goes to this webhook. This is all you need on N8N, so it's very simple, and I'll provide you a template as said. Everything you need will be in that document, so you can just copy and paste it. First N8N webhook comes in here, and then we're going to use the Data Prism scraper to scrape the Instagram account details and also post details. You can scrape 5 posts, 10 posts, it doesn't really matter. I'm scraping the whole Instagram profile and 3 posts. That's usually enough. I have a fallback mechanism which you will not need, so you can just ignore this one. After N8N has scraped the user details, it will use AI to find out if there is an ICP check or not. So if that user is in our target audience or not, and this might be very custom to your business. You will get the prompts that we are using, but you can adjust those prompts to your likings into your business to actually let AI know who is your target audience, and then it will check based on this prompt. But you will get everything you need from our side. Let me show you how it works as we speak. So let's execute this step. And as you can see, we have all the information from the Instagram profile here in the output. If we then move over to the next node, this is the AI ICP check. Let's just execute the step and see what happens. We're feeding AI with all the information that we have just scraped, and we have another prompt to let it find out if this is an ICP check or not, and also to summarize the lead information for us. So as you can see, we have first name, occupation, we have the personalization of the person, then we have the topics of their business, and we have business details as much as you need. Like it shows you the business name, the business model, niche industry, the offer type, CTAs, what do they use as a CTA in their Instagram profile, and very important, it shows us if it's an ICP check or not. I even know this person personally. After AI has found out if the ICP match is given or not, we will save the details into Manychat, which gives us an additional advantage that if your setters or your sales team members are working on Manychat, then now you will have a summary of this lead's information and the business inside of Manychat as well. The next step, we check if the ICP match is a yes, then we add the ICP match tag to Manychat. If the ICP match is a no, we do not add the tag to Manychat. So we can then continue our automation from there. So this webhook basically takes the Instagram account, scrapes it, finds out with AI if it's an ICP check, and saves the data back to Manychat. And this all happens in those 30 seconds wait time. And then from here, we check if the lead details have any value, because if the flow has been done before, then the lead details will be updated using the Manychat API. So we should see lead details in here, and then we continue until we have the second external request. And this only happens if the ICP match is a yes, because this means we are now going to create a customized outreach message to that lead. And this is the second webhook over here. We are using Anthropic right now because I think it's just better with text. You can also use ChatGPT. You will have both nodes or both flows in your template, so you can play around with this as you wish. We're receiving the webhook here. We're creating a message text with a customized prompt that we have. You can use the same prompt or adjust it to your likings. Let's just see what it would do in this case. Let's just execute the step and see what it gives us. And as you can see, this is, hey Serdar, appreciate the follow. Saw you're building OmniFusionAI. What's your main focus with it at the moment? So this is an extremely personalized outreach message where 99.9% of people will not assume that this is automated, and 99.999% of the world don't even know that something like this is possible, and you learn it because you follow OmniFusionAI. And by the way, if you're not following OmniFusionAI yet, then please go ahead and do so. If you think this video is valuable, if you learned anything new so far, like this video, subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot and it's free for you. Thank you so much. Cool. So this is a message that we can use, so it's perfectly fine. After that, we have a code block in here that is removing M dashes and does some other housekeeping with the messages. So simply use it as it is. And then we respond back to the webhook of Manychat. As soon as the webhook response is back here, we continue here with checking if the outreach message is actually there. If the outreach message is there, we add a new tag, new follower outreach sent. We set some custom fields. We send everything to the M tracker, and we send the message out with the variable outreach message. And these two flows together work butter smooth. I have no errors. It just goes and does its job. And as you can see, this automation for me has triggered already nearly 2,000 times, and I just implemented this last month, and has sent 200 DMs, targeted, personalized DMs to my ICP. However, our ICP check is very strict. And if you want to send DMs to more people or have a more loose ICP, you can simply set that up yourself in the AI ICP check here. You can tell it who's qualified, who's not, what are red flags, what are green flags, and it will check for you and send the DMs out based on that. Now let's go back to the document. You will see both templates in here in this document. You will see the Manychat automation template and the N8N automation template. And the only things that you need to do to actually make this work is set up all accounts as explained above. As said, none of this costs money. Import Manychat automation from this link here. Import the N8N automation from this link here. And then you will need to go through both of these automations and add your API keys and webhook URLs and make sure the bot fields on Manychat are correct. And that's it. Now you're sending AI personalized outreach messages to all new followers on autopilot. We are doing way more than that. Our AI responds to every inbound message, to every reply, and qualifies automatically and books appointments for our clients. However, this already will save you a lot of time and will give you a lot of conversations that you can then convert into sales. In the last step, let me show you all the things that you need to adjust once you import this automation. Let's start with Manychat. Once you import the automation, you should see something like this. And if you don't see the trigger user follows your account yet, you need to go to settings, you need to go to Instagram, and you need to set up say hi to new followers and choose the automation that you have just imported. And then it will show like here, AI new follower outreach plus ICP check. You can rename it obviously as you wish. And my default reply is the AI setter workflow because the AI appointment setter is taking care of my DMs. For the new follower outreach, you will need to activate it here and set up the automation that you have just imported to trigger every time a new follower comes into your account. Now let me show you all the things that you need to adjust once you import this automation. And here's the first thing you need to adjust. This has to be your N8N webhook. So you will go ahead and add the webhook from this N8N workflow to this node. You can leave the rest as is. Then from here, we continue. And the only thing you need to change here is the second HTTP request, where the N8N webhook needs to be your second N8N webhook after you have imported the automation. The only other thing you need to adjust here is the node for the dmtracker. It will be the same URL. However, you will have your own auth token, which is a bot field, and it should look exactly like this. If this shows some timestamp, remove this and just add the dmtracker authentication token as it's shown here. And the same thing is with your organization ID. Your organization ID should show exactly like this, not with a timestamp. If it shows anything with a timestamp, delete it, add the new variable without the timestamp, and you will be fine. The only other thing you can change here is if you want the dmtracker to tell you when to follow up with those leads that you do outreach to, then you have to change this to true. So simply change this to true and save it like this. Then it will show up automatically in your follow-up dashboard whenever you need to follow up with someone that you reached out to. I don't do follow-ups for my outreaches at the moment with this account, and that's why I simply typed false here. So I will leave it as false, but you can change it to true if that's what you want. Then you simply save this node and everything is good to go, and you can activate the workflow. There's a couple things you need to adjust on N8N as well. So inside of the data prism scraper, you need to add your API key that you get from the data prism account. Inside of the AI ICP check, you will need to add your own OpenAI API key or Claude, whatever you're using. And inside of Manychat nodes, this and this one, you will need to add your Manychat API key, which is also easy to get from the dashboard on Manychat. That's the only things you need to adjust here. Down here counts the same thing. You will need to add your own OpenAI key or your Anthropic key if you want to add it and respond to the webhook. Nothing else needs to be changed here. You will get your own webhook URLs from here, from these two things. You can get your own URLs, which you will need to add into the Manychat flow, so the Manychat flow exactly knows which N8N flow to trigger, right? Other than that, there is really not much that you need to adjust. It's super simple. You can get this done in less than 30 minutes if you go for it. If you didn't understand it the first time, just go ahead and rewatch the video, check the document, which I will continuously update. If I see some questions popping up more often, I will add an FAQ to this document, and you can get all the information and all necessary questions answered to make this work on your account as well, just by watching this document continuously. And if you want me and my team implement the full AI sales system into your Instagram account so you can get booked sales calls on autopilot without needing any setters, simply go to OmniFusion.ai and book a call with me so we can talk about it. All the links you need to make this work will be down in the description. Have fun implementing this into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to write it into the comments or simply go to our school community and ask there, where you will probably get a faster reply. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.